Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Now, look at the picture and talk about it. What do you see in the picture? I think we see here three birds, a dove, an owl, and a bat sitting on a branch of a tree. The bat and the owl are looking at the dove. Is not it? Dear learners, can you guess what we are going to discuss? Yes, we are going to discuss about the truthful dove too. Dear learners, before going to discuss about the truthful dove, we have to know some keywords with synonyms and antonym. For you, there are some words with synonym and antonym. Wondering. Wondering is adjective. Wondering means amazing. Insincere. It's also adjective. Insincere means artificial. Its opposite word is sincere. Impatient. Impatient means restless. Its opposite or synonym antonym patient. Speech means word or voice. Its opposite meaning dialogue. Praise. Praise means applaud. Opposite meaning criticize. Host. Host means entertainer. Its opposite meaning guest. Grateful. Grateful means thankful. Opposite meaning ungrateful. Ashamed. Ashamed means repentant. Opposite meaning shameless. You have to know all keywords very well. Then you can gauge the meaning of the passage. Now read the following passage. All this time, the dove was listening to her friend's false phrases. She wondering how insincere his praises were. The dove hung her head down and was quiet. The owl got impatient. He wanted to hear more praises. He looked at the dove and asked, "Don't you have any good thing to say about me?" At the time, the bat joined the owl. He also said, "Yes, don't you have any words of praise for our kind host?" For this, the dove was ashamed of her friend bat and kept her eyes down. The owl asked the dove, "Come on, say something about me." Now, the dove lifted her head slowly and said, "Master Owl, thank you very much for your shelter you have given me. Thank you for the food you have offered me. I will remain very grateful for this." Dear learners, this is passage, and You should know the meanings very well. After knowing or understanding this meaning of the passage, and you have to answer some questions. Here some question for you. What does the word insincere mean? The story. 2. Why did the dove think that the bat is insincere? 3. What made the owl impatient? 4. What was the dove ashamed of? Why was the dove ashamed of her friend bat? After reading this passage, you have to answer these questions. Again, true or false? Another evaluation for you. True or false? If false, give the correct information. A. 1. The bat was very insincere when he praised the owl. It is true or false? 2. The owl wanted to hear more good things about himself. It's also true or false for you? The dove was very rash to the owl. Okay, thank you very much.